Welcome back. So we're still on the bit.ly, that is the bit.ly. So all you need to do now is you need to register, just like you've used the free version. So we are still registering under the free version. So upon registration, you'll see the links you've used on this website. Like you can see mine is there, the date it is being created, and like that. So you can use this to keep up with your analytics. So you can check the number of clicks you have, how many times people actually visited your link or clicked on your link. So now I'm going to show you that of my chat, like my chat group on WhatsApp. So you all can see mine has already been customized. You can see bit.ly/eligible bam. So total of 12 clicks. You can see the data here. So now let me just show you how to do this, how to customize the back end. So I'll click on that of the middle link, the bit.ly 3rmlwg. You can see. So now this is what I have initially. You can see customize back half. Customize back half. Just click on it. So you customize it by erasing the other link. Then you insert your own preferred link. Probably if this is for a special program, you can just decide to enter something like bit.ly/DIY 3.0. So whenever someone clicks on this link, the person is going to deliver the message to your inbox like, I am so I'm ready to register for your class, your training DIY 3.0. Very simple, short and simple. So you can post to your social media, that is Twitter over there. You can easily just copy the link, paste on your clipboard, and you're ready to send out. And in fact, this is very easy because you are the one who customized this. You have the name, you can remember it anytime. So all you just need to do is just type it, bit.ly/ whatsoever name you might have inserted in the link. So I'm trying to share this to the DIY group. So you can see now. You can see I just entered this myself and it saves me the stress.